morning. Welcome to Hanoi, Vietnam. Today we're going to Tam Coc, Ho Lua, and Moi Caves. We gotta get our motorbike. Let's go. We have our grab rider. Safety first, everybody. What's your name?
Tuấn.
Tuấn is going to take us safely to Amarita Boutique. I love Vietnam in the morning.
Hello, Vietnam.
Good morning, Vietnam, he says. We gotta go pick up some flowers here in just a moment after coffee. There you guys are. Hey, we're down here in the middle of Hanoi, Vietnam. Just swang by a little banh mi shop to get our breakfast. I'm gonna have egg and pork on a nice big French baguette. Should be delicious. And then we're gonna find a little place to have coffee before we head on today's adventure. So we're going to 3 spots. We're going to Tam Coc, and then we're going to Moi Cave, and then we're going to Ha Loa. So temple, rice fields, water excursion activity where they actually row the boats with their feet. And so stay tuned. Let's have breakfast, get some coffee, and hit the road, Jack. Bam! Here is our good morning banh mi. Yummy. Well, this is it right here. This is what you look for. Get yourself that perfect morning egg and pork banh mi with a nice iced coffee and a tea, and just listen to traffic go by. Listen to the morning rush and the hustle and bustle of Hanoi, Vietnam with the banh mi. So on the Tam Coc tour, this is going to be a bigger limousine bus, and so we don't have the massage chairs or anything like that, but they're all right. You know, they're not the most comfortable. There's no massage, but you know, it is what it is. A couple hours here, a couple hours there. It's all about the part of the journey, you know what I mean? Dear ladies and gentlemen, man, we are at our first destination, and I've got my proper hat. We're gonna be going into this temple over here. I must wait at the bridge for my tour guide. Welcome to Walu. Look at this big guy. Wow. Yeah.
Okay, everyone, before we get into the temple.
Mời ông Nguyễn Ngọc Toàn, Chủ tịch Công đoàn Trường Đại học Kinh tế Kỹ thuật, trưởng đoàn lên dân hương. Kính mời cô giáo Phạm Thị Lụa, trưởng khoa kế toán kiểm toán, phụ trách khoa du lịch và khách sạn, Trường Đại học Kinh tế Kỹ thuật Công nghiệp, đồng trưởng đoàn lên dân hương.
On super hot days, you might be lucky enough to catch the water buffaloes taking a little bathing poo. Look at that. We are out in the middle of Vietnam. I tell you what, it's pretty cool. Everybody's out on a bike tour, but I wanted to stop and kind of get some time alone to fly the drone. And so guess what time it is? What do you guys think's about to go down? If you decide to come out to Tam Coc without booking a tour, they have a ton of different homestays, and they've got pools with villas, full dinner, drinks, pool, foosball, bicycles, hammocks, and just kind of chill areas. So if you want to come out here for a week or so, I think it'd be a good idea. Oh God. Dude, sometimes these backpacker girls, they're wearing these little tie pants or whatever. The pants stand no chance, dude. It's eaten like this. Imagine, here's your string bean, and then here's the girl's butt, and then here's the pants. This goes like this. It's just frickin' the port pants and thongs stand no chance, dude. It's just the booties are eating. So we just got to the Tam Coc row boat area, and my girl from 2015 isn't here, so we're gonna have to get somebody new. But there's about 2,000 tourists that come every day, and then maybe there's like 4,000 people who are actually trying to row. So not everybody gets to row every day. Maybe every 3 days you'll actually get somebody with a rowboat. So I don't know who's gonna be my rowboat lady, but I'm excited and we're gonna have fun today. Dear ladies and gentlemen, look at that flag in the pagoda. We're out here at Tam Coc having a good day, drinking beer, enjoying the Ninh Binh. Oh yeah, we're about to go through that cave right there. It's a party in the Ninh Binh caves. Oh my gosh, the temperature is like 1,000 degrees better. Welcome to Ninh Binh, Tam Coc's cave. If you want to tame the dragon, you must have a very strong balance. So there we were in the middle of Vietnam. This isn't a view that you're typically gonna get of Big Buddha here. There's a reason they call me Big Buddha in Thailand. Because I drink and I eat a lot. Look at that beautiful belly right there. I think I'm gonna get Big Buddha tattooed on my belly though, to be honest. I wanted to give you guys a quick little glimpse at what it looks like to kind of approach the mountain if you were going to hike it.
Do we take it?
So right before you climb the mountain, you have to go through mushroom land. And then there's a big old koi pond over here where sometimes you'll see fish, sometimes you won't. And then if you need a cold beverage, you just go right here. And I want you guys to know how much hard work goes into traveling the world and getting all this footage. It's not all f***ing beer and having fun. Sometimes somebody's got to frickin' get to work, you know what I mean? Thanks for tuning in to today's episode of Ninh Binh, Tam Coc, Mui Cave, and Tao Lo. It's a blast. About $45 for the whole day. You get transportation to and from, a full buffet lunch, and access to all of these activities. If you're going to Vietnam, have any questions, shoot me a message or post it in the comments. As always, if you like it, subscribe it.